Hello Team Iceland, welcome back to another episode of Daily Life in Iceland. Today I'm going to bring you along with us as we go out to get pizza, because I thought that would be fun to show you. Today we're heading to a fun place called Íslenska flatbakken, which means Icelandic flatbread pizza. It has some of our favorite pizza on their menu, which is the cheese pizza with jam. And I don't know if you guys have ever considered putting jam on your pizza, but if you haven't, hopefully I'm about to convince you that this is the way to eat pizza. I'm also going to show you a little bit about the menu and the prices and what their pizzas look like, and it's going to be great. And this video isn't sponsored, by the way. I'm just really craving this pizza in particular. So let's check it out. This is the menu. It's the contactless menu, so you just hold your phone here. It takes a picture of the QR code, and then you just click open menu, and it just opens their menu on your phone. So for prices, it's like it's looking like the average price for a pizza is about 3,000 kroner. So at the time of recording, that's going to be about 25 US dollars. There are some cheaper pizzas. It just depends on like the toppings that you get on it. And then they also have a kids menu as well. Dessert options looks like a chocolate pizza kind of thing. They do have a vegan menu, so if you're vegan, then they have that. And they have some drinks. Did you say they have beer over there?
Beer, wine, Pepsi Max, orange.
Okay, so they have like your average soda for drinks, and then they also have beer and wine. And then they also have things like cheese sticks, like breadsticks and things like that. So definitely something for everyone. Here on the menu, the one that we like to get is the cheese one. So you just add it to your cart. And right here, and then you can just pay for it right here, and then they'll bring it to your table. So it's super easy. Just put in your card information. Also a very kid-friendly restaurant with coloring books, kids cutlery, and high chairs. Here's the pizza, 4 cheeses with a delicious crispy crust, and here's the jam. And you have to put the jam on the pizza and take a bite, and it is so good, trust me. Trust me. Yeah, trust me. That is what you call a successful pizza night.